Right now I am using a power sim PSIM simulation tool for the simulation of 3-phase inverter in 120 conduction mode and 180 conduction mode. So let us start with new document file. Let us save first this document. I have already prepared one 3-phase inverter in 180 conduction mode. So let us save this new document as 120 conduction mode. Okay. The diagram of 3-phase inverter is shown in the left hand side of the screen. We need first DC power supply. Let us take one DC power supply and 6 switches. So right now I am using a 6 MOSFET with reverse diode. Let's prepare this for first circuit diagram of 3-phase inverter. Let us connect all the connections as shown in the figure. All these switches need gating circuit, so let us add gating block for switches. We have 6 switches, so we need 6 gate triggering circuits. Let us connect one by one each switch with gate triggering circuit. As shown in the diagram, we have used resistive load, so let us use the resistive load in a star configuration. Connect each link with resistive load and make a star configuration. Use one ground in the center point of star configuration. Use a 24 volt DC power supply. Let us rename all these switches: MOS 1, MOS 2, MOS 3, etc. Use 10 ohm resistive load in each link. Now let us give the firing angle to each gate triggering circuit as shown in the left hand side graph. First one switch conduct for 0 to 120 degree. We are working with 120 degree conduction mode in first case. Second switch work for 60 degree to 180 degree. Third one switch for 120 degree to 240 degree. Fourth one switch for 180 degree to 300. Fifth one switch for 240 to 360, and last one sixth switch conducts from 300 to 420. Okay, now let us connect voltage probes. First we will check line voltage. To simulate this circuit, we need one simulation control, and total time of simulation I am set for 0.5 second. Okay, it's ready, so let's run it. First VP1. Oh, there is a frequency issue, I forgot. Let us change to 50 Hz only, because we need this inverter at 50 Hz. So I'll change all the gate triggering circuit with 50 Hz frequency. So this is the first line voltage between first two phase, second one and third one. So these three waveforms show us line voltage between each phase, and phase shifting between each line voltage is of 120 degree as shown in the waveform. Now let us check phase voltage. So I am using voltage probe in each phase. Connect to each phase and remove all the voltage probe from line voltage, all the connections. And let us check the waveform. So let's run it. V1 first line voltage, phase voltage. So it will give us quasi square wave, and in each phase there is 120 degree phase shift. Okay, so first phase, second phase and third phase, each phase has 120 degree phase shift from previous one. So this is a simple 120 degree conduction mode 6-step bridge inverter. First phase, second phase and third phase. Now if we want to convert this inverter into 180 degree conduction mode, then we simply change the firing angle of each gate triggering circuit. Diagram is as it is. In first switch, conduction angle is 0 to 180 degree. Then in the second switch there is 60 degree shifting, so second switch conducts for 60 degree to 40 degree. Then in third one switch 120 degree to 300. Each switch conduct for 180 degree and turn off for 180 degree. Okay, so I am changing all these conduction angle of each gate triggering circuit, and it is ready. So let us run and check the phase voltage of each switches, and let us check phase voltage of each branch. First one, first phase, now it is, and second phase and third one phase. The phase voltage waveform of 180 conduction mode is similar to the waveform of line voltage in 120 degree conduction mode. Okay, so this is 180 degree conduction mode. Okay, you can get similar 120 degree line voltage waveform. Now if you want to check line voltage in 180 conduction mode, then you just replace all these line voltage, phase voltage to line voltage props. So let us connect all these props in all the line. And it's ready. So let us start run first line voltage, and it will show you quasi square wave. If we add second one and third one line, then it will show you the waveform of line voltage in 180 conduction mode. So it is similar to the phase voltage of 120 degree conduction mode. Okay.